Hi there, and welcome to the PLR Profits Blueprint tutorial video series. In this tutorial series, I'll be taking you on a profitable journey from knowing nothing about PLR to knowing everything you need to know and profiting with that knowledge. So let's start at the very beginning. We're going to talk about what PLR is, what options you have with profitably, we're going to use that word a lot, with profitably using it, and where to get the best PLR available, okay? So let's get started with what PLR is. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. And when you buy PLR to content, you can then use that content however you want, as long as it follows what the license for the product states. Now, everything that you get PLR to will come with a license file. Usually it's like a PDF, maybe just a notepad file, but it'll tell you what you can and can't do with it, okay? If it does not, then you need to contact the creator and ask what rights you have to the content. Some people are very liberal with their content, and some people are not. For the most part, when you get PLR to content, you can generally take that content and use it for just about any purpose you want. Creating your own products, creating content for your websites, creating emails, for your email list, creating graphics, creating social media content, and on and on and on. But make sure you check the license, okay? Because just because you get videos doesn't mean that, you can upload them to YouTube. And just because you get an ebook doesn't mean you can tear it apart and throw it on your blog, okay? So make sure you read the license. Now, we will get to more of the uses of PLR in just a minute. But first, let's change gears and talk about what kind of content you can get private label rights to. Let's go to my favorite PLR resource, buyqualityplr.com. Okay, so here we are at buyqualityplr.com, and there are many PLR websites out there. This is one of my absolute favorites because of the variety of niches they have PLR for, the quality of the PLR, they have the best prices, and amazing customer support. It's hands down the best PLR store online. So let's go through some of their PLR content offers, and we can see what you can get the private label rights to, okay? So I'm going to go through a couple of these offers. If you look here, you need to read the entire page when you get here, okay? Because it's going to give you, types of digital products you'll find in the store. This is basically an overview of everything that's in the store. And if you click this Go to Store button, and there's lots of places you can click this, even at the top, right here, your PLR store. If you click on that. Now, if you have a topic in mind, let's say, I wanted to do internet marketing. You can just simply search for it, okay? All right, so here we go. Search results for internet marketing. And you can go through here and see everything related to internet marketing, okay? Now, of course, you can also search over here by all these different niches. I told you guys they have a ton of niches over here, okay? You can also do by content type. Featured PLR products, exclusive PLR content, all PLR products, articles, audio, email, autoresponders, ebooks, lead magnets, list building, mini site, and on and on and on, okay? But what I want to specifically show you are a couple of different packages here and what you could possibly do with them, okay? So this one is the ultimate guide to ideas premium PLR guide 10K words. So this is one that you can buy. So you could take this and create your own product with it. Okay, it's an ebook, but you can take it depending on the rights. And I'm going to say that a lot because I want you guys to always check the rights to the products. But you can take it, turn it into your own product. You could take it and turn it into a video product. You can do all kinds of things with it. But this would be a good example of a product you could take and edit it up a little bit, maybe add a new cover, and sell it. Another one here, articles. Articles are great for taking and bundling together and making a report that you can give away as a list building report, or you can take the articles and you can put them on your website. Again, make sure each PLR package you buy, you look at the license file though, okay? Another one here WordPress Affiliate System PLR video course. Now this is a video course. I don't know the rights because I haven't looked at the rights, but generally right here, it'll tell you on the page. I think almost every one of them, they have a rights thing, or the rights to the product right on the sales page before you even buy it. But this, you can sell the product, can be packaged with paid products. You can see all kinds of stuff. So the things you cannot do: give your customers the raw files, give the transcripts, offer in fire sales, offer in dime sales, offer these videos in fire sales if there are more than 5 products, sell master resale rights, give away resale rights, give away videos for free, cannot claim the copyright, repeat, you cannot sell private label rights, okay? So this is stuff that you would take and you would make like your own product out of and sell this, okay? Another one here, premium white label brandable PLR coaching courses. You can have your own coaching program by using PLR content. All of this is premium white label brandable PLR coaching courses. So having coaching courses. The next thing here, high quality live demos PLR email course. So this is an email course you can get the PLR to. You can take this and set it up and start building your list with it. You could charge people for the email course. All kinds of different things you can do there, okay? This one is 3 to Thrive. List Traffic offers premium PLR newsletter. So this is PLR, and you can run your own newsletter. Issue 1, issue 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, there's a ton of issues here. It looks like 12 different issues in this one. I'm going through here fast, so don't quote me on exactly what it is. But I just want to give you guys a general overview of what you can do here, okay? The next one here is Outscriptions, Outsourcing Project Description PLR templates. These are templates to get jobs done, okay? So this is, you could take these and if we look at our license file here, this could definitely be a product that you could create. Oh, the license isn't listed for the restrictions. What can't you do with these materials? Protect the value. You may not pass on the rights. You may pass on any kind. You may not offer. You are not permitted to give the materials away. You may not add this content to any part of an existing customer order that would require them to make an additional purchase, i.e. you cannot add it to a package, membership site, etc. Okay, so this would be great as a product. And I actually just took a PLR product that was similar to this, that was on outsourcing, and sold it and made a couple grand doing just that from PLR content, guys. Marketing HTML PLR mini site graphics, and this is like a whole mini site, but there's usually lots of graphics that you can get PLR to. You can take those graphics, build your own mini site, take those graphics, make your own e-covers, take graphics and turn them into social media content, okay? And then the last one here is PLR niche keyword packs. So these are, so like this one's on Pinterest marketing. You want to know what the hot keywords are on Pinterest marketing? Here you go. Keto diet niche, another hot niche, okay? And these are actually free in here. But these would be great to use in your marketing if you're trying to do some SEO, if you're trying to see what hashtags are popular, stuff like that, okay? So again, we've got create your own product, use as content. What is this one? This was okay, this is the video course. You could take this and use it as content, unless you can't give it away for free, or create your own product. This one is create your own coaching course. This is, let's go back up here. Okay, an email course. This one is the newsletters. This one is templates. This one is graphics. And then, like I said, the keywords. Okay, so as you see, there's a lot of different PLR content that you can get and use it in multiple ways. And this is a great site to start with to find all of that PLR content. Okay. Okay, so I've just explained what PLR is, private label rights, it's content you can get the PLR to, shown you what your options are for your uses, just a few. There's lots of other things you can do, and showed you where to find the content over here at buyqualityplr.com, okay? Now, your last step here is to make a plan and get started. What's the first thing you need for your business? Do you need a product you can use as a lead magnet to get people to join your list? Then come here to buyqualityplr.com and find something that you think your target prospect would be excited to get and turn that product into your own lead magnet. Start building your list. Let's say, do you need a couple of products that you can take and use to create a digital product funnel so you can have something to start making money with? Again, come over here to buyqualityplr.com and find 3 or so products that are related. Take each of them, turn them each into a product, and create your own money-getting funnel. Do you need content for your blog? Then come over here to buyqualityplr.com and search for content related to your niche. You can, of course, use articles, but you can also pull content from ebooks, reports, etc., and use that content for your blog. Just check the license. I don't think I've said that enough, have I? I'll stop there, and that's just 3 examples of the hundreds upon hundreds of uses of PLR in your business. The important thing is to decide the first thing you need to do and go do it. What's that thing that you need for your business right now? Do you need list builder? Do you need products? Do you need content? Do you need emails? Do you need graphics? Then come to find the PLR that you need to create whatever it is that you need, okay? Now, one last note before we end our time here together. There's another amazing thing about buyqualityplr.com. The blog there is a huge information resource. You can learn a ton about using and profiting with PLR there. So let me show you where the blog is. If you come right here at buyqualityplr.com, and you click on blog, you're going to see that there is a ton of content here. So should I be using PLR? Knowing your PLR rights, different types of PLR products, 6 big benefits of PLR content. Guys, use this resource. It's free and it's full of great information to help you profitably use PLR in your business. You're going to become a huge fan of buyqualityplr.com. I just know it. Make sure you check out the entire site. Like down here at the bottom, I want to show you guys something real quick too. The how to buy guide shows you, how to buy from the store if you have trouble. They have a discounts page. The PLR store, I already mentioned the blog. They have a PLR directory here. There's all kinds of great stuff. So explore the site, okay? All right, at this point, you are fully schooled on what PLR is and how to get started using it. Do what I just said. Decide what the first thing is you need in your business. Go get the content to create it. Create it and start profiting. I wish you much success on your PLR journey.